Hello everyone, my name is Alberto and welcome back to my channel. So what I wanted to show you real quickly in this video is how I took a couple pairs of very old and very worn jeans. They had big tears and I repaired the tears first of all with some machine darning. Basically I put some fusible interfacing to keep the tear closed and then just basically stitched all over it in multiple directions. Obviously, as you can see, it's very visible and doesn't look very good. So what I thought I would do is turn them first of all into shorts because it's summer, and then I'm gonna dye them black. So I'm gonna fold them in half like that, and I'm gonna use a pair of shorts that I already have just to measure the length. So fold them in half and make sure that the back and front are matching, and then I just straight up cut the leg. I'm gonna leave it raw for now, just leaving an extra little bit in case I decide to do a hem in the future. So just cut them like that. It's really simple, and you can leave them like that or you can distress them, do many different things. If you do a simple cut like that, they're gonna basically get a little bit distressed on their own because of the process involving the washing machine and the friction in there. But obviously you can use a little bit of sandpaper or something else. If you want, I can do a little bit of a tutorial on denim distressing because it's always really fun. So here's the result. We have the two shorts. Now I got this package dye from the supermarket. It's one of those you just add to the washing cycle in the washing machine and it does it on its own. So I also added this extra pair of shorts that faded in the sun just to give it a little bit of some color back. Here's the dye I'm gonna use. I'm obviously gonna follow the directions on mine. In case you find another one, obviously just follow the directions on the packet because some require adding salt. In my case, I needed to put the items of clothing already wet inside and then just put the dye on top and let it go. While I was at it, I decided to add some more stuff like some chino pants that I basically never worn and some t-shirts that were a bit faded or ruined. So just put everything in the washing machine with a warm wash cycle as they required, and then everything in the dryer. So the results were a bit of a mixed bag. So I ended up doing it a second time. As you can see, the more faded blue one is the first cycle and the other is from the second one. I'm pretty happy with them because you can see it's very hard to see where they've been mended already. So for me, it gives me a bit more time of use with them. And you can see they started to distress a little bit. You can either repair it or embrace it. Here's the original color they started from. I like them both and I like not having them the same exact color. So I'm pretty happy with the decision. And they turn out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with them. They feel a bit refreshed and with very little expense. So here's a bonus. This was a sort of purplish t-shirt that got this interesting gray, and this other one that kept the pattern underneath the collar was pretty interesting. A pair of chinos that were sort of navy blue and they got a pretty nice black. Happy with that. And a shirt that was a blend of cotton and synthetic and didn't fully absorb the dye, but again, I'm okay with that. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll see you next week. Bye!